Let's talk about that. I discussed that with President Trump last Saturday. Oh, your selected laughers. Oh, yes. But I'm here because I think you have a good cause so far, the few of you that I've met. But there's always going to be someone stealing. But I'm also a little upset because I was told I'm going to come here and they're going to pay for everything, and they're making me pay for the orchestra. I'm not complaining, but I am playing for this fucking orchestra. And I am paying for an 8-piece orchestra. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 fucking mirrors. I am not that stupid. And I do not sing. Do I look like Diana Ross? Did I come down and slap anybody? Did I look like Diana Ross? No. Remember Diana Ross, the good days? Oh, when she would slap and smack people. And nobody has that tradition now. Maybe Naomi Campbell, who's my goddess. You don't think it's great to slap a person? You don't think it's great to slap a servant? Is that the most wonderful thing in the world? To walk over to someone and go, you fucking cunt, it's so. Now, bring me my tea. I love slapping servants, and I love hiring illegals, and I understand you get locked up here. Illegals don't know they can leave the house. You can have them work 23 hours. It's fabulous. You have to say thank you. You look tired, sit down and sew. It's just... That's why, what's her name with the big stupid vagina lips? What's her name?
Angelina
Jolie.
No, I didn't mean to say that out loud.
Yeah, Angelina